Hey you guys, this is my gift, Dyno Booth here at Performance Shoppers, and today we've got another interesting little hot rod for you. It's a Milwaukee 8 with an S&S 124 power package in it. We run an S&S Cylinders with 11-to-1 pistons. We've got S&S 550 gear drive cams, Screaming Eagle CNC Potes Heads. We've got a Screaming Eagle 64mm throttle body with 6.2 injectors. We're also using a Two Brothers Racing 2-in-1. We've done all of our tuning using the DynoJet PowerVision with the Wideband Pro 02 sensors. So we're going to go ahead and do a couple runs on this thing, see what kind of numbers it's putting out. Stick around. Really good. Take a look. Okay. Oh, not too shabby. 138 on the horsepower, peaking at 5,500 RPM, and 144 on the torque, peaking at 4,400 RPM. So if you take a look here, that's significantly different from the 124 on the horsepower and the 135 that on the torque that S&S claims for this. So another thing I want to kind of point to your attention here is you see this big dip right here. Okay, as much as I don't like to throw shade on nobody, that's the pipe. Okay, you guys can take from this what you want, but we've seen this pretty consistently on that particular brand of pipe. So, you know, whether you decide to run that or not, that's up to you. But just know that this is a characteristic of that particular exhaust system that we've noted on all of our runs that use that particular pipe. As you can see, though, again, 124 cubic inch power package, basically a big bore kit for what started out as a Milwaukee 807 cubic inch motor. A lot of horsepower, a lot of torque in this thing, but again, I think this kind of points to, you know, the fact that you can't always just go by the numbers. You want to know what's in a particular build and some of the parts that are involved in it, because as you can see, this has got, you know, there should be a lot more torque in the mid-range on here, and I think we're going to address this, maybe put a different exhaust system on it and see if we can bring this mid-range torque and horsepower up. But again, real good numbers on this thing, and I'm sure when the guy that owns this particular bike gets it back, he's not going to be disappointed. So anyway, like we always say, you know, I'm the Dyno Tech here at Performance Choppers. If you guys have got any questions about performance mods or tuning questions, you know, don't hesitate to give us a call. Love to chat this up with you guys. So hope to hear from y'all soon. Take care. My name's Mikey here at Performance Choppers.